I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow Echinacea from seed indoors. First, you'll need to stratify your Echinacea seeds. This means chilling them for 30 to 60 days to mimic winter conditions, which helps break dormancy. After stratification, prepare your seed starting trays with a sterile, well-draining mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep, ensuring they are lightly covered. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged for best germination. Once planted, maintain a consistent soil temperature between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Echinacea seeds can take several weeks to sprout, so patience is key. Provide plenty of light, ideally 12 to 16 hours daily, using grow lights positioned a few inches above the seedlings. Water your seedlings from the bottom to encourage deep root growth and prevent damping off disease. Ensure good air circulation around the young plants. When your Echinacea seedlings develop 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting into larger individual pots. Handle them carefully to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Before moving them outdoors permanently, harden off your plants. This involves gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a period of 7 to 10 days. Start with a few hours in a sheltered spot, increasing exposure daily until they are ready for their final garden home. Finally, plant your hardened-off Echinacea in a sunny location with well-draining soil, spacing them 18 to 24 inches apart. Water them thoroughly after planting and continue to water regularly during dry spells, especially during their first growing season. Echinacea is relatively low maintenance once established, attracting pollinators and adding beauty to your garden. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.